Hello friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. And I wanted to get out here and shoot just a quick addition to the video that just published this morning. And I want to show you that our fencing did arrive and we got it up. So I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what's going on here. And you see the chickens are having a good time, and that my little hanging pot idea is working great. The chickens haven't budged them one bit. They're working all the way around them. And anyway, I'll do a quick little tour and show you what we did here. Okay, so we actually have, Pat went ahead and fenced off the sting and nettle. I did kind of want them in there to roam a little bit because we do tend to get a lot of slugs back in there. But it probably is best because chickens love sting and nettle and they will tear it apart. And we should probably let it grow for a little bit more before I get in there. But you can tell that I have still been harvesting. I just got out here yesterday and took a whole bunch off here. So anyway, we closed in this section just right here. Now the garden does extend farther over that way, and those bags over there are for my neighbors. I still have more to go get. She had a bunch of leaves she wants us to come get to put on our garden, and I was thrilled. So anyway, I didn't want the chickens all the way over there because I just transplanted some golden oregano over that way that I need it to stay. It's just transplanted, so I don't want the chickens digging that up. But right here is where I do want them anyway, so they can get in here and get all the slugs and bugs and stuff that want to get in there and eat everything up. And eventually we'll probably let them roam over there more, but keeping them off the deck. So I love this movable fencing because we can do any configuration we want. However, one of the things that we're going to want to do is get some more of the stakes. So I got to find some more of these. I'll link to the fence below because we did actually get this fence on Amazon, but I'm sure you can find it in your local like Tractor Supply. And the first one that we got that we have in the backyard, we actually got at a place that's 75 miles away from us called Coastal, and it's a newer store that we really like on the rare occasions we get in there. But for now, we just got some wood stakes kind of holding up the really saggy places because we don't want dogs jumping this and getting at our chickens. But we still have the gate propped open a little bit where the chickens can, go back there and get to, run to their coop and stuff for safety. So anyway, this whole thing actually needs to be redone, and especially that little section there. But that's, that's just yet another project. So we have the fence going from this corner and then going all the way across. The dog's actually liking this too because now he can come out in the front yard and roam around a bit too. And it comes across the front and then just around to just this side of the fruit trees. So they have a lot more roaming areas, but right now they're loving it over there because that's where all the slugs and bugs are. Having a great time. And Cody, we got to give you a bath and get you some clothes on, don't we? You're naked right now. But this will also make it nicer for the dog because he'll have more of the backyard to themselves because he'll kind of hang out with the chickens. He doesn't at all try to hurt them. But there's a couple of them that will be mean to him, so he's a little scared of them, which is better to have it that way. But however, it can make it hard for him to get out here and go potty in the backyard when the chickens keep chasing him back in the house. Okay, so that's just the quick update. I just wanted to add this in so you can see that we did get the fencing in. More updates to come. And oh yes, I wanted to say one more thing that I forgot to talk about in the video that went out this morning, and that was about tilling. I got to add this in because I was really irritated. I forgot this very important fact. We spent several years just doing more of a layer method. This year, though, we found it beneficial to pull out the rototiller and till everything up because that helps get all the eggs of the slugs and things stirred up so the chickens can get to them better, and also to till in some stuff that was just trying to come back. And so we did that in the main garden area and out here as well, and then also tilled the horse manure in instead of just layering it like we usually do. So sometimes tilling is still a good thing. I agree with the no-till method, especially anywhere where there's perennials, but this year we did do a lot of tilling, so it's not all bad. There's benefits to tilling. So again, find what works best for you. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next garden update. Thanks for watching. Take care, and God bless.